All right, news we're getting in this Bihar BJP leader Giriraj Singh has reached party president Rajnath Singh's residence. In fact, earlier in the day we heard from Shatrughan Sinha saying that he will not compromise on his seat and that he insisted on contesting from the Patna seat.
स्मृति है धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी ने कहा था कि राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष से आप एक बार मिल लेते। मैं रात से कोशिश कर रहा था बात करने की, मेरी बात नहीं हो पाई। अब मैं आया कि शायद यहाँ मुलाकात हो जाए, तो जो यहाँ की व्यवस्था थी उसमें मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई। अब मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि जरा रामलाल जी से मिल लूं, उसके बाद फिर आगे में।
सर, नाराजगी अभी किस तरह से, वहीं से नवादा से लड़ेंगे या फिर टिकट को जो वापसी की बात चल रही थी उसका क्या सीन रहेगा?
अब मैं बाद में करूंगा।
क्या कुछ पार्टी छोड़ने की बात हो रही थी, ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं?
मैं बाद में बात करूंगा। जो भी
सीधा बिहार जाएंगे या अभी एक और
अभी बीजेपी हेडक्वार्टर
बीजेपी
All right, Giriraj Singh there refusing to answer questions when asked about whether or not he's planning to quit the BJP over some discrepancies over ticket allocation. So clearly chaos in the Bihar unit of the BJP. Earlier we heard Shatrughan Sinha saying that the only seat he's willing to contest from is the Patna seat. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Aditi Anantharayan, who's joining us on the phone line from the national capital. Aditi, we just heard from Bihar BJP leader Giriraj Singh saying that he wanted to meet, he's been trying to meet Rajnath Singh for the last almost 12 hours. What's this meeting about?
Absolutely, Simi. In fact, after the seats were declared yesterday, there was a meeting of the Bihar leaders which took place in the national capital in the Bihar Bhavan, where various topics were discussed, and many of them were unhappy with the seat allocation that was made and the seat announcement that was made yesterday. In fact, Giriraj Singh has been given a ticket from Nevada, and he's very unhappy with the seat. In fact, yesterday as well, what he told the media that he was trying to get in touch with the party president Rajnath Singh, but he was not able to meet him today as well. In the morning he went and he was not able to meet, and now finally Rajnath Singh has agreed to meet Giriraj Singh. Basically what Giriraj Singh wants to point out and wants to convey to Rajnath Singh is the fact that he is unhappy with the seat that he has been given and he wants to contest from another seat. So he would want to try and figure this out if he could get some other seat. Definitely, Simi, after the announcement yesterday, many of the Bihar leaders, turmoil has erupted within the Bihar leaders. Many of them are unhappy with the seat allocation. We saw Shatrughan Sinha adamant that he does not want to leave his Patna seat. He was being offered a seat from the national capital. Now that has become a bone of contention. And now yet again, Giriraj Singh, a senior BJP leader, he is as well unhappy with the seat that has been given to him. So definitely problems have begun for the Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the Bihar seats are concerned.
Absolutely. Trouble for the BJP High Command. Differences arising over seat allocations in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Thanks so much, Aditi, for getting us the latest on the story. We do know now that Giriraj Singh has been given an appointment with BJP President Rajnath Singh and that they will be meeting this afternoon.